In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put image in table in Notion. We'll start right in your browser by opening the Notion website. Make sure you're on the page where you want your table to live. If you're starting from a blank page, click into the page so your cursor is ready to type. That way, the next command will drop the table exactly where you want it. Type // then the word table and select the table option that appears. Notion shows quick options when you use the / command, so watch for the table choice in the menu and click it. The table will instantly appear on your page with a few default columns and an empty first row, giving you a clean structure to work with. With the table in place, you're ready to add a column that can hold images. Look for the option to add a new property. In a table, this usually appears as a plus sign to the right of your current columns or as an Add New Property button in the property controls. Click that, and from the property types list, choose Files and Media. This property type is designed to store images and other media, so it's perfect for our goal. If you like, you can rename the column to something clear, like Image, to keep your table organized and easy to scan later. Now it's time to add your image. In the New Files and Media column, click the cell in the row where you want the image to go. A small menu will appear with options to add a file. Choose the option to upload from your computer, then browse to the image file you want to use and confirm. Supported image types like JPG, PNG, and GIF will work smoothly. After the upload finishes, you'll see a thumbnail right inside the cell, confirming that the image is attached to that row. If the thumbnail takes a moment to appear, give it a second. Larger files may need a brief upload time. If you don't see a preview, double-check that the column is set to Files and Media, not text or another property type. You can also open the image from the cell to view it larger and make sure it looks the way you expect. And that's it. You opened Notion, created a table using the / command, added a Files and Media property, and placed your image directly into a table cell. Use the same steps for additional rows to build a visual catalog, a content tracker, or a simple gallery within your table. Thanks for watching, and enjoy organizing your images in Notion.